Shalom, shalom. I'm your brother Reuben from Nations of Kings and Priests, No Cap. And we're hosting the 20th annual Hebrew Summit. So we call it all camp to come down and join us here in sunny Tampa, Florida. January the 25th through the 28th. It's going to be a 4-day event. So come on down, bring the family, bring the kids. We're going to have all kind of entertainment, food, and get your Hebrew apparel. All information will be below. So come and join us with that. Shalom.
You hear them trying to call us a hate group? Whoa. Ain't nobody hating, they just hate to be exposed. Many are called, but very few are chosen. That's in order to prophecy, and that's just how it goes. Thus said the Lord, these ain't my words, the scriptures told us. Add it all up, prophecy tell you the total. Seen it and explained everything from head to toe. Nebuchadnezzar had a dream where he seen a giant statue. Daniel interpreted everything the way it happened. Call it a coincidence cause you don't think it matters. But when you truly clueless, I guess you don't see the patterns. Would think that change times and laws and you don't know they changed the calendar. You don't even know your own nationality. 12 tribes worldwide, all around the globe.